Here's a grave. This is a place. A place, you say? Yeah, it looked like abandoned bird spotting. A hiking club that was opened in 1903. Okay, now I'm walking up. So the mountains. There could be no snakes. This place is also owned by snakes. Snakes could show up here at night. Snakes show up here always. But something could be made only on your day. Like 4 days a day. Here's the mountain view here. So I'm right now walking on these places. The places you see are not valuable. So this could be an abandoned hiking area. Here was how it looked like 1903s and 1904. I guess so I could walk sometime. Papa, I'm walking. Papa, can you say something for the audience? Yeah.
Not focusing. Where am I
The
saying?
weather is actually around 200 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees. It will be melting.
No,
Melt and vanish.
no, it's actually around 4 degrees
Then
Celsius.
it will be snowing, Agastya.
Then will be 14 degrees Celsius.
Doesn't say the
14 Celsius. Okay. You see there's a dirty corn lying there? Yeah. It could be anything.
Sir, can you take
Okay.
the photo of me this side facing?
Hold on, I am taking a video. So, I am walking on these fields. This might be abandoned hiking area from 1903. 1903. The British made this as a hiking area. So then in 1968 it was abandoned. So here's the look how it looks like. So I am walking on these fields. So Papa, say hello. Okay, this is the video that I have made. But recently, hold on, I'm waiting. Wait, I have to film another. So I am walking into to find something abandoned drawer. This cabinet could look like it's from 23 years old. Why not? Okay, so hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. Oh. This was the abandoned birds hiking area in 1903. It recently closed in 1968. So thank you guys.